guys, we are going to Karshi Waterfall.
Please, nobody is responsible for loss of any items. Okay? So please, for those who have their vehicles, we go to your vehicles. For those who came with the vehicle, please march towards your vehicle. For those who are driving, please, we are maintaining.
You can see us heading towards our vehicles for the trip to the waterfall.
So I can sit with my friend. Okay. Someone can enter.
I'm not your enemy.
She prefers to sit with me.
Oh boy. Am I sinking?
Hello there.
5, 6, and I did not shoot us. Let's go! If you have not gotten a vehicle and you are there, you don't go with that. Let's go!
The journey has just begun. By the way, if you are seeing this video for the first time and you haven't subscribed, please do wait to subscribe. And to my return subscribers, thank you so much. Karshi Waterfall is located after Karu in Abuja, but the journey honestly is very far, I won't lie. We finally got to Karshi, but not the waterfall yet. See everywhere, it's a beautiful place though.
We just want to wait for others that.
Oh God! So we are at Karshi, awaiting other vehicles to get here.
My energy is next level, so damn you better be careful. I got an angel and devil, he snapped me straight in the temple. I'm ready to be a rebel, I've got a lot of potential hidden inside of this vessel. That shit is so exponential. I need a first class ticket to the top, no limit. I don't play no gimmicks, I'ma take you to the clinic. If you want a taste, come at me and you will be replaced. They won't find a trace of you anywhere or any place. So you go down if you try, you just might get a little bit of trouble.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
So guys, we are at Karshi, and it actually took us an hour.
Are you serious?
To get to this place, and the journey was so tiring. The journey was very tiring. At some point I got I even regretted coming to this place. So soon we'll be going for the hiking, and there are lots of people here. Some are behind and some are ahead of us, so you can see people are going and the people behind. Damn, everybody's waiting. So we are at Karshi. Then let's go for the waterfall. God, I'm tired. Very tired.
Hey, what happened?
That was legitness.
Please, I need your attention, please. Our water is coming behind. And please, you need water. Make sure you tag along with someone. If you have any health condition, please let us know now. We have our medical personnel on ground.
And if you don't have
Let
a
us
man,
know
grab
so
your
we
man
can guide you on
now.
how you can excel on this trail. It's a very long walk. Note that, please. It's a very long walk before the waterfall itself. So we need you all to be healthy. And as fun as it may be, it's also dangerous. So we need you to be very, very, very careful. Along the trail, in case you have any challenge, please, we have our medical personnel, we have protocol personnel that you can easily call upon and they will assist you. Please, I repeat, don't walk alone.
Ready, navigator's way. Man,
Okay, you're doing great.
can
Right?
see how the fun is going. I love it.
All right, cool.
All right.
Yeah.
You have big, how many millions of camera? You are telling me you are looking for another person.
Why not?
No! God, please, no! No!
We made it to Karshi Waterfall and we took turns climbing the rope to see the amazing waterfall.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Yeah, boy.
Thank you for watching, guys. Tell me what you think about this video and what you would want me to do on my next video.